Today we're going to show you how to harvest sunflower seeds from your garden. And before we get too far, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Okay, so first we'll look at a sunflower that's not ready. You can see that there's no coloring in those seeds and they're all just white. Now to one that is ready, when you pull it up, you can see all that color in there. They look like the sunflower seeds that you'll get at the store. So then now you're gonna cut back the stem of the sunflower a few inches so you have something that you can kind of grab onto. This one is close, but you can tell that the seeds are not as dark as they are on the sunflower we already cut down. You can tell this sunflower is ready by the back. It's a lot more yellow and it's starting to brown over here. This one isn't quite ready because it's still very green and there's no browning around the edges. Okay, so now you're just gonna take all that off. All those little green pieces, you're just gonna scrape them all off, and they scrape off really easy. So this is what it's going to look like after you've picked all those flower things off and all of the seeds are exposed. Now I found that it was easier to actually break the side of the flower off very gently so the seeds don't go everywhere. And then it's a lot easier to just pick them off into your bowl. And then you're just going to pick off all of the seeds until your flower looks like this. There's not going to be any seeds left in here. And then you just discard this, of course, after you're done. These are all the seeds that we got out of one single sunflower. You can still see that there's still a little bit of the flowers in there. That's okay. You can just pick those out whenever you're ready to cook these, if you do cook them. Thanks so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below and we'll try our best to answer them. We'll be doing a video later this week on how to roast sunflower seeds and maybe some recipes that you could try out. As always, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and check us out on Instagram. The link is below.